Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pizza in a microwave. First, select a small, personal-sized pizza or a single slice, ensuring it has a thin crust for optimal results. Choose a microwave-safe plate or dish that can comfortably hold your pizza. This initial preparation is key to a successful and enjoyable microwave pizza experience, setting the stage for quick and easy cooking right in your kitchen. Next, to prevent a soggy crust, place a paper towel directly underneath your pizza on the microwave-safe plate. This helps absorb excess moisture during cooking. Microwave your pizza on medium-high power for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute. Carefully check if the cheese is fully melted and the crust feels warm to the touch, adjusting the time as needed for your specific microwave. For those who prefer a crispier crust, consider using a specialized microwave crisping tray, which can significantly improve texture. Alternatively, after microwaving, you can transfer your pizza to a toaster oven for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. This quick finish helps achieve that desired crunch without overcooking, ensuring your pizza isn't tough or chewy. Finally, once your pizza is cooked to your liking, carefully remove it from the microwave, as the plate and pizza will be hot. Allow it to cool for about 1 minute before taking your first bite. This brief cooling period helps prevent burns and allows the flavors to settle. Enjoy your incredibly quick and easy homemade microwave pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.